Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I do hope that you will stay and that you'll join the K fam. And if you've been my day one, thank you once again for joining me. Today I'll be showing you around my apartment. I'm so excited for this. So let's get straight into it. As you walk in, you'll see that you come into a little like reception area type of place. Then towards my right, we have the guest bathroom. So most apartments in the UAE usually come with like a guest bathroom. So like my apartment is a one bed apartment, but it has two bathrooms. So this one is my guest bathroom. Next we have the kitchen. What I really like about this space is that it's quite spacious. The kitchen has, enough storage space, and it came fully furnished. I've got a refrigerator on my right hand side, which is, big enough. A tumble washer, which has been so helpful because I can just do my laundry at home. I don't have to be paying to take my stuff to the laundromat. Then we have a stove. This is a large gas burner. Really enjoyed using it. And just your basic kitchen appliances. So your microwave, your kettle, and yeah, that's basically my kitchen. Another interesting thing is that my kitchen has a fire extinguisher as well as a fire blanket in case I burn myself or I start a fire while trying to cook up a storm. So I really found that quite interesting. On to my favorite place, the living room. So we're going to start off in my dining room. That's my dining table where I have my breakfast and dinner. Just the right size for myself. And we've got the living space. And so as you can see, it came furnished with two couches, a TV, and a coffee table. And added my little bit of extra touch just to make the home a home, just to make my apartment a home. Yeah. Next, we have the bedroom. As I mentioned before, this is a one-bed apartment, and what I really like about this bedroom is how open and spacious it is. Um, I've tried not to put too much. I like it's like airy, enough storage for me to store whatever it is that I wanted to store. So that's what I really appreciate about this bedroom. Also, guys, how cute is this mirror? I love, 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 love this mirror. Lastly, we have my bathroom. So it's just a normal bathroom. Those tiles, guys, those tiles get me every time I look at them. But anyway, comes with a shower, which I appreciate. And it's also got a lovely big tub. So I just like having that choice, like having to choose between a shower and a bathtub. Thank you guys for coming with me in this tour. If there are still any questions that you might have about teaching in the UAE, don't hesitate to drop those in the comment section and I'll make sure to respond to all of those. Do continue to show this video some love and the rest of my other videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.